Hey friends, my name is Sophie. We are going to be moving through 10 minutes of a yoga flow to help relieve lower back pain today. Let's get started in a seated position. You can sit with your legs crisscrossed or maybe kneeling over the legs. Place your palms down onto your knees or onto your thighs. Sit up tall with your shoulders stacked over your hips. Reach your crown up towards the sky. Long, tall spine. And send your gaze down past the tip of your nose or close the eyes if it feels comfortable. We'll take a few breaths to begin practice together. Take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale, let it go. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale everything out. One more big inhale through the nose. Exhale, let it go. Roll over onto hands and knees, uncross the legs if they're crossed. Come into a neutral tabletop position. Stack your shoulders over your wrists. Your hips are stacked over your knees. Your toes are tacked. On an inhale, we'll drop our belly, gaze forward. Cow pose. Exhale, press the ground away. Come into your cat pose, round the spine. Inhale, belly drops, gaze forward, cow pose. Exhale, press ground away, round the spine, cat pose. One more like this. Inhale, drop the belly, shine your heart forward. Exhale, round the spine, draw your belly button up, cat pose. Come back to your neutral tabletop and start drawing big circles with the ribs here. Bring your ribs down to the left, draw them up, move them over to the right and back down. Switch directions of your circle, ribs come to the right, then draw up to the left and back down. One more like this. Bring the ribs to the right, the top, left, and all the way back down to neutral. Bring your knees apart, sit your heels closer together, and sit your hips back any amount back into a child's pose. Arms reach out in front of you. Forehead might come down to the ground. See if you can sit your hips back a little bit more and wag out your tail. Move your hips from left to right. Gently release out your lower spine here. Option to also rock your forehead from left to right. Get a gentle forehead massage here. Press both palms back into the ground. Tuck your back toes. Press yourself up back into a tabletop position. Bring your right hand up towards the sky. Gaze past those top fingertips. And on your exhale, thread the needle. Place your right arm down on the ground. Right temple, right shoulder might come down to the ground. Option to walk your left fingertips forward. Get a little deeper into this twist. Crawl your left hand back underneath your shoulder. Gently unthread your right hand, right fingertips back up towards the sky, and right palm down, other side. Left palm up towards the sky, gaze past those left fingertips. On your exhale, thread the needle. Left arm loops under the right. Left shoulder, left temple might come down to the ground. Maybe crawl your right fingertips forward. Get a little deeper in this twist. Crawl your right hand back underneath your shoulder. Unthread the needle. Left hand comes up towards the sky. And place your left hand back down onto the ground. Extend your legs out just a little bit behind you and lower all the way down to the ground onto your belly. Untuck your back toes, both hands underneath your shoulders. Inhale to rise up into a baby cobra, baby back bend. Your head, your shoulders lift up off the ground. Exhale, slowly lower all the way back down. We'll take one more of this. Inhale for a baby cobra. Shoulders peel up, head peels up. See if you can get light on your fingertips and maybe float your hands up off the ground to hold yourself up with the strength of your core and your back. Gently place your palms back down onto the ground and slowly lower all the way back down. Tuck your back toes, press yourself up into a tabletop position. Shoulders stacked over wrists and hips stacked over your knees. Lift your left leg out behind you and step your left foot in between the hands. As you inhale, rise up with the torso, reach your fingertips up and overhead. And on your exhale, drop your elbows, cactus arms, shine your heart forward. Gentle back bend here. Inhale, bring your arms up and overhead, crown reaches tall. And exhale, drop the elbows, shine your heart forward, baby back bend. Inhale, your arms come back up overhead. Exhale, frame your front foot with both palms. Step your left foot back into a tabletop. And switch out your legs. Right foot steps in between the hands here. On your inhale, rise your torso up, or fingertips reach up towards the sky. And exhale, drop your elbows, cactus your arms, baby back bend here. Inhale, arms come back up and overhead. Once more, exhale, cactus the arms, drop the elbows, baby back bend. Inhale, arms come back up and overhead. Exhale, frame your front foot with both hands. Step your right foot back, tabletop. Bring your left foot, step your left foot in between both hands. Tuck your back right toes, lift your right knee up and off the ground. Plant your right palm down. Left fingertips peel up. Easy twist. Bring your left palm back to the ground. Step your left foot back. Come into a plank pose. Draw the ribs in, belly button to spine. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. And step your right foot in between the hands. Left palm down onto the ground. Right fingertips reach up towards the sky. Easy twist here. Feel a long line of energy from your left arm pressing down all the way up to your right fingertips reaching up towards the sky. And bring your right palm back down to the ground. Step your right foot back, plank pose. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees down to the ground and slowly lower all the way to the ground on your bellies. Nice work. Bend both of your knees and drop your feet over from left to right to windshield wiper out the legs. Your arms can come down by your sides. Get a nice gentle release for your lower spine here. Place both palms underneath your shoulder. Press yourself up into a tabletop position and crawl your feet forward. Place your booty onto the ground. We're coming onto our backs. Legs extend out long in front of us. And slowly lower down. We will all meet on the backs of our mat. From the back of your mat, lying down, bend both of your knees. Drop your knees over to the left side. Send your gaze over your right shoulder. Your arms can come out into a T shape or cactus arms. Bring your knees back to center. We'll do a nice supine twist on the other side. Bring your knees over to the right side. Gaze past your left shoulder. Inhale, bring your knees back up. Bend both knees, grab for your thighs, your calves, or the bottoms of your feet. Happy baby. Rock from left to right. Get a nice massage for your lower spine here. Yeah, nice. And let go of your feet, let go of your calves. Bring your feet back to the ground. Roll over onto the right side into a fetal position. Use the strength of your arms to push yourself up into a seated position. Crisscross the legs. Place your hands onto your knees, face down. Sit up tall. We'll take 3 breaths together to close out our practice. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale, let it go. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. Biggest inhale yet. Exhale, let it all go. Great work, everyone. Thank you so much for allowing me to guide you through this practice today. Hope to see you again soon.